Hi, our names are Rosa, Kinza, Rich, and Stephanie, and welcome to our study of performance in the cognitive environment. There has been a growing research demonstrating that natural spaces are associated with a wide range of health benefits. Many of these research studies examine the direct relationship between the natural environment and mental health. More specifically, a study done by Michael Barnes, Ming Kuo, and Catherine Jordan, titled "Do Experiences with Nature Promote Learning?" caught our group's attention. In their study, they found a consistent nature-learning connection where it increased a student's ability to concentrate, their interest in the material, and self-discipline in learning. They also found that this may help with students who don't particularly perform well in a traditional classroom setting. Other articles titled "Characterizing Nature and Participant Experience in Studies of Nature, Exposure for Positive Mental Health, and Integrative Review, and Nature-Based Guided Imagery as an Intervention for State Anxiety" examined nature and its positive mental health benefits. Both articles concluded with positive experiences in mental health as well as lowered anxiety levels in individuals when placed in a natural environment. Thus, we formulated the question, how would participants cognitively perform when exposed to different environmental stimuli? In other words, we want to test whether nature experiences would elicit positive feelings, thereby affecting cognitive performance. The purpose of this study is to measure how well participants would answer the assigned test depending on the environment they are tested on. Will there be major differences on the scores when the only thing changes the environment? This study is important because the results may help educators and students employ more tools in their teaching and learning. Being confined in a room may restrict creativity and problem-solving skills, but being exposed outdoors may give students the opportunity to think more outside of the box. The results of this experiment can help determine what kind of environment may be more effective in engaging students to be more inquisitive and be well educated. Our hypothesis is that participants in the nature-based environment would perform better than participants in the simulated and classroom-based environment. The experiment is conducted by dividing 30 college participants into one of each of 3 locations at random. For our study, participants will be placed in 3 settings: an indoor classroom with nature music playing in the background, a park, and a regular classroom, the latter being the control variable of the experiments. The study will take place in Hunter College classrooms and Flushing Park, where participants are first presented with a consent form. Then, they are instructed to sit and absorb their surroundings for 2 to 3 minutes and asked to rate their positive feelings from a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most positive and 1 being the least positive. Then they are given the cognitive test. The test challenges some of their cognitive skills, such as problem solving and visual processing. As the test is being administered, the researcher leaves the room or is at a distance to minimize stress factors that may be imposed on the participants. It ensures that the researcher's presence will not be a confounding variable, therefore allowing for a more accurate data. At the end, they are given one last survey question, rating how focused they were during the test, 1 being the least focused and 10 being the most focused. What's new about our study is that we will use a group that will be given recorded nature sounds, including a picture of a river, and attempt to simulate a natural environment. This is a small clip of what participants will be hearing and seeing on the laptop. Finally, they will be thanked for their cooperation and allowed to leave. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed our study of performance and the cognitive environment. This is Rosa, Kinza, Rich, and Stephanie tuning out.